Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by because it is Super Simple Sunday, and that means that we keep it super simple. But before we jump into today's project, thank you to everyone who is supporting me and supporting my channel in any positive way. I really appreciate it. Super simple it is. Today we're going to make a very nice alternative to a traditional gift bow. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here is a closer look at one way that we can dress our projects without using traditional bows. This is a beautifully decorated rosette, and when finished, it actually fans out to about 4 inches around. So it's very large. This is perfect for gift boxes, gift bags, as a gift itself. So here's what we're going to need to make this. So I have a piece of 4 by 12, and I'm using a lightweight scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. Then I'm going to be using some ephemera pieces from Tim Holtz, and it's from the Christmas Noel collection. You get 75 awesome pieces in this pack. There are so many different ways that we can use these pieces. I've been using them on other projects, and I thought these would be ideal because I wanted my rosettes to have more of an old world feel and not a new feel. And I think that these just work perfectly with this project. And then I'll also be mixing in a chipboard piece from the Simple Stories Vintage Rustic Christmas collection. I want this Santa right here. So for those of you who are new to rosette making, a rosette is just taking some paper and doing a peak and valley fold, joining the paper together to create a circle. And then we flatten and fan that circle out. For those of you who are very familiar with making rosettes, nothing that I'm about to do will be new to you, but we do have some newbies, and this might be a new process to them. So I have my 4 by 12 inch piece on the 12-inch side, and we're going to score every 1/2 inch. So that's 1/2 inch, 1, 1 1/2, 2, 2 1/2, 3, 3 1/2, 4, and then we just repeat this all the way across. And because I'm using a lightweight paper, I don't have to really dig down into the paper at all. I'm just making one pass through very gently. So here we are at the end. So hopefully you're able to see all of those lines. So now we're going to take it and turn it to the 4-inch side. We're going to put it in at 2 and cut it in half. And so now all we're going to do is take these and accordion fold, peak and valley, all the way across. And then I'm just going to take my bone folder and make sure I have a nice tight crease on that. And then I'll do the same thing with this side, but what I'm going to do, because when you look at this, you can see I started with my flap fold going down. This time I'm going to take my piece and my flap will be going up. And that way we'll be able to join this together like a puzzle. This is an awesome, super simple Sunday project. So I'll take my bone folder and do the same thing. So now when I open it, you can see that I have one end piece that is going up and one end piece that is going down, and they join together like this, and it'll join the same way on the opposite end. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some scrap that I had left over from the gift boxes, and I am just going to cut myself a couple of squares, and my squares won't be large at all. These are probably 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. We need one for the front, and then we need one for the back. All right, so to put it together, I am going to take my hot glue gun. You can use regular glue if you want. I am going to take the piece that was going up, and we can add it to the piece that was going down. The order in which you do it doesn't really matter. So now I have this piece going up. I'll add some glue. And now I'll connect this piece that is going down. And then I like to just take mine and just tighten all the way around. I go around the whole thing and just tighten it. So now we have it like this. At this point, you can take your fingers and you can just squeeze it in and push it down. So again, take your fingers, press down on the top, and press down. So now I'm going to take my glue and I have placed some glue right there in the center. I'm going to take one of my little pieces of scrap and we'll put that down and hold it into place. I'll flip this over, take some more glue, and then I'm just going to take this piece and put it down. And that's how easy it is to make a rosette. For those of you who haven't made them, don't be intimidated by the process. It is very simple, and it's also very addictive. So once you make your first one, you're going to be so addicted and you'll be making many more. So now I have gone through my ephemera pieces and pulled out some pieces that I think I might want to use. Now on this one, what I did was mounted a greeting to this, and I'm going to do the same thing here. And it doesn't always have to say Merry Christmas. This is a Christmas themed rosette, so the message will be very understood on your gift. So I'm going to take this and we'll place it down on this little banner. Use my bone folder to make sure that's nice and stuck. Now I'm going to take my pieces and just sort of play around with placement. So I know I want some background floral. I'm going to take my Santa and put him down there. Then I think I might add some floral there. I know that I'm going to put this across the bottom. And now I'm trying to decide if I want to use the Santa's Workshop ticket or the December 25th. And I think the Santa's Workshop ticket is going to work best. So what I'll be doing is snapping a photo of my layout so I'll know where my placement is. And so when I'm getting ready to take this off, this will just help me to keep track of what I thought was an acceptable layout for me. So we're going to start with this piece. I am going to add just a little bit of glue, hot glue, to the back. Again, use whatever adhesive you have. If you don't have hot glue, but you have, a nice craft glue such as Reptile that you like to use, go ahead and use that. Now I'm going to take my Santa and place him there because I want to make sure that I have the look that I want, and I do. So now I'll take this piece, add some glue to the back, and we're going to put it right there. Now Santa is a sticker, so I can peel the release piece off the back, but I'm also going to add some glue. So we're going to put him right there. Then we're going to take the Santa's Workshop ticket, add some glue to that. and we're going to tuck it in right there. So now I'm going to take this piece, my little banner, and I'm going to add just a little curl to it. Then I'll take my glue. When I pick this up, I'm going to place that right there. We'll hold it in place until it dries. And then I'll do the same thing on this piece. So I'm going to add just a little bit of glue. But this time, before I put it down, I am just going to bring it in a little bit to give it a little bit of that hump. And so now we have another super simple rosette. What I am going to do is take some of this Pop Dot foam that I get from the Dollar Tree. You can use Pop Dots that you get from anywhere. You can use glue dots, anything you want on the back. You can even apply some tear tape to the back. I am just going to place that there, so when this is ready to be used, we just peel that off and put it down. So now I brought that first one back in so you can see this nice 3D effect that we have going on with these beautiful rosettes. They will make a statement on any gift that you use them on. These are so stinking cute and so easy to make, as you guys just saw. Please don't be intimidated by rosettes. Very easy process. So I hope that you'll give it a try. And I also hope that you have enjoyed this super simple Sunday craft. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.